Hey Lori! I know a lot of people get coughs during the winter time, so I'm wondering if you have any remedy recommendations for coughs.
Hey, Gabby, I'm so glad you're asking me about coughs because for anyone with children in the wintertime, cough is a big thing that parents are dealing with or caretakers. And there's so many homeopathic medicines that could be really helpful for coughs in the wintertime. Spongia, that's more for that dry, hacking cough. Barking, croupy cough, that's a common remedy for croup. So the remedy Spongia is an excellent remedy for that big barky cough.